The days or weeks following a car accident can be incredibly stressful. The accident itself, working with insurance companies, organizing rentals, it all builds up quickly. But you don't have to handle it alone. That's why choosing the right body shop to help you is so important. The right shop will not only repair your vehicle, but guide you through the process and even act as your advocate to the insurance company. But how do you know they have the experience, equipment, and training necessary to repair your vehicle? One way to tell is if they are a manufacturer certified collision center. For example, A1 Toyota Collision Center is Toyota certified. This verifies that the shop has the facility, tools, and training necessary to properly repair even the newest Toyota models. A shop should also stand behind its workmanship, with warranties on metalwork, paint, mechanical repairs, and more. A1 Toyota Collision Center is a prime example of this in action. Choose a shop that will have your back. It's the right thing to do.